Welcome to An American Accent. This is the 8th video in a series that groups irregular verbs by their pronunciation rather than spelling. Many people know the spelling, but don't quite know how to pronounce these words. So I'm referring to colors in this video and so many other videos that I do. It's in reference to the Color Vowel Chart by Taylor and Thompson. And they are identifying the name of the vowel as a color. For example, a is called black because black has an a in it. Silver, the stressed vowel there is I, and then mustard, the stressed vowel is mus, So those are the sounds. Let's begin. Begin, began, begun. Drink, drank, drunk. We don't really like to use, especially the third form here, the past participle, because we use it also as an adjective to describe somebody who's had too much alcohol. And very often with drinking and eating, we use have water, have coffee, have dinner, have an apple, rather than using the actual verb. It's more like, what are you doing? I'm eating, when you're not saying what kind of food it is. Ring, rang, rung. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. So here the base form, it continues to be silver, I, and the simple past is a, and the past participle is a. Sing, sang, sung. Sink, sank, sunk. Stink, stank, stunk. And swim, swam, swum. Now, many people also don't really feel comfortable with some of these forms like swum. We usually talk about going swimming, and then we would have to say, oh, I've gone swimming already, or we've been going swimming. And that's true for present tense, past tense, that we more often refer to swimming as go swimming. I hope you find this interesting and helpful. If you have some suggestions of other videos, you can always write that in a comment. I still have another 4 videos to come. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe.